after him and taking his date.
Oh.
Bitch, she called me middle
And
3
you was
o'clock.
in his video. Oh,
She called
You
me
might want to
at-
gag at it.
She
What
called
is
me
it?
at
When
3
was
o'clock
it?
in the morning.
Where was it? When she said that she wasn't online. How is it?
Girl, you a lawyer now.
But where was it?
on that
That was
alleged
the
day.
question, honey.
On
The
that alleged
question is clearly
day.
laying on the table.
What was
Kind of like
what?
the legs that were
Oh.
spread across the table.
No further questions from the plaintiff.
Oh, the defense rests, Your Honor.
No further questions.
The defendant guilty of all charges against 8 counts of sexual abuse,
More than
Nah,
that.
that's sexual abuse.
9 counts.
More than that. Do I have a 10? Going once, going twice.
That's how many times you attempted to log in. Unsuccessfully.
But I heard they were successful. The defense rest.
The 11th time,
And the defense
My
rest.
name is Administrator.
And the defense died.
Let me call her.
A change of password.
I heard you were gonna get jumped.
She wanted
And I don't need jumping jacks.
She tried to cancel my plane.
oh no, she's trying to sleep with Jack too.
Oh, ooh. In her own video.
She tried to cancel my plane ticket. I said, bitch, no man. She canceled my plane ticket after I paid her all the money.
She called Dr. Dr. said, hello, I'ma kill that bitch.
I'm about to jump her. I'm about to jump her when I see her.
But that's the shame. I wasn't even on my thing. What's this Jason? It says Michigan.
Who is that?
That's the
It
boyfriend.
popped up when she called. Picture of her.
That's for all her pictures. Don't answer that, because that's the boyfriend last night.
What he like her? Well, see, she love her.
You was the one who had her one.
But she love her.
Who is that?
His name is Dante.
Hold on.
No, honey, we're gonna log into WesternCMC.com.
Hold that drink.
Honey, what do I look like? A cup holder or a coaster?
No, there's a couple of that ass the coaster, honey.
What'd you say?
But she loves her.
Who?